Villagers who don't know how to act when they see an elephant.
अरे आंखें देखे नहीं पैसे ये ज्यादा लिखे तो नहीं भाई अगर कोनो ना कोई फालतू ज्यादा आराम से बाजी वाले बाहर रखा जा जा साला काली हो लेकिन आयुआ का विवाह इधर चल ए इन्हें कस्तूरबा को बाटे करा हा
What brings you in today?
Prescription.
You want a prescription? What do you want a prescription for?
Treat.
You want treat prescriptions? Safi, I've given you so many treats. I've given you too many refills.
Bitch.
You gotta figure that out. Yep, try it now.
毛毛，毛毛，去把小不点放出来，把关在厕所里的小不点放出来。开灯。把小不点带出去上个厕所。别关门。关门。毛毛关门。
An octopus opens a peanut butter jar and gets a fishy treat inside.
goodness. He's opening the jar up.
He's gonna open the jar.
Can't see.
Look at the thing. It's like right here. Look how big this thing is.
The toy, the octopus has the same brain capacity as
I know.
You got it.
It brings together, they play with toys and interact with things.
A frog with an attitude. A woman feeding red kites. Look at the size of this beast.
تعال فارس تعال عمار عمار تعالي عمار تعبنا شوف تعبنا فارس مال فارس وينك
Magie. Magie.
The capybara is the largest rodent in the world. They can get up to 100 pounds, y'all. Check out how this man and capybara seem so happy.
So muddy, aren't you, Tony? That's such a good pose, isn't it, that one?
I love when they wallow in the mud, there's mud up to the ears, and then their face is dry.
Nice that just the bee parasites.
I think it just helps with
Keep them cool, I was going to say.
I would love your tummy, but you're very muddy. Very muddy.
we have to
Good boy.
spray them.
Have you got mud all over your nose? Just get this mud off your nose. Lovely little ears. So nice. Such a good boy. So friendly.
And this second one.
Driving on American Airlines Flight 652 from Phoenix, you're back to now legal.
Seeing if my dog recognizes my mom walking by after not seeing her for 6 months. Quick double take. Wait a sec. Grandma.
Come here. You gotta drop the blankie though. Drop blankie. Leave blankie. Go see who's here. Who's that? Who is that? Cheesecake, usually he gives you all this attention, but he's like, nope, sorry. Oh, you love him? He's a little senile. He's like, where have you been? Has it only been 2 days?
You need to be able to handle your owl. So, as you can see, Luki has got these leather shoes on each leg.
Owls are very interesting birds to say the least for a myriad of reasons, but they're definitely adorable even though we know that they can be dangerous.
Oh my god, you got my finger.
Massage?
It's okay. Yeah, it's okay, Blizzard. Oh, that's my boy. There's my boy. That's a good boy. That's my boy. Yes. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy.
Even Big Boy from the legendary rap group Outkast is an owl owner. So cool.
Yeah. Shh. Twist your head. Just let her. Shh. That's a nice grip. You want to show your wings? No. On the flap. She might not be in the mood today. When? You in the mood. Ain't you in the mood? You in the mood. Ain't you in the mood? Don't you do it. You good. Live and stay on. Grouch. Grouch.
A man serenading some cows.
Y'all, who fucking car this is? These is the biggest motherfucking roaches I ever seen in a fucking... Oh my God. Yes, I am recording a bitch car at the Walmart because, bitch, I am blowed. Do y'all see that shit? How the fuck do they sit down? Look, all on the back of the thing. Ooh, shit. Oh, I thought it was coming out the car. Lord Jesus. What in the fuck is on the stair? Look, it's all on the seats, y'all. What the fuck? Oh, shit. You gonna just walk around here? Oh, my God. Look, they all on the dashboard. What in the fuck? These bitches is huge. They must not be scared, bitch. Look. They must not be scared. How y'all ain't scared to sit in there? Look at it. Just crawling. Oh, it's just all over the seats. Look at this. Oh, my fucking goodness. Oh, what? Oh, shit. Bitch is outside the car. Oh.
The amazing spirit bear.
A white woman to walk up to that dog in leggings and Uggs, kneel down, sweet talk him, pull out some bolt cutters and crack that big ass chain, throw him in the Subaru, buy him a 10X sweater, take him through Starbucks drive-thru and order a gigantic pub cup. Talk about, hi, we just rescued him and we named him Jeremy.
Would you ever get this close to a wild silverback?
You okay? Oh my God. Oh my fucking God. He's not asking. Then you'll be fine. He's not going to talking. Oh my God. You may stop each other a bit.
Keeping your hand steady after that, Phil. Breathing a bit deeply. Mateo, what did he do? Did he poo on you?
Okay, it's fine. Look at me. Oh my God. Okay. You're still fine, don't worry. Take this picture. It's
too close.
Here, bub. Here, bub. Come on, bye. My finger.
Badgers for their size are extremely formidable and tough beasts, and they don't back down from anything. Pretty incredible at how many badger owners I found online.
Only one.
A bear makes a grocery run.
That hill is go there. He doesn't get scared. Oh my goodness.
Yep, just completed fixing this fence. Pretty proud of it, I'd have to say. Try to keep selling the art.
Well, they do say pigs are smarter than dogs.
That's it. Mudslinger, can you lay down? Both ends. Both ends. Good. Can you play dead? Bang! Good boy! Now let's see if a pig can retrieve. Mudslinger, there's your toy. Will you go fetch that for me? Well, guess what time it is? It's time for soccer. But before we can participate in any soccer, we need to have the traditional raising of the flag. Would you do the honors? Thank you. Now this is an extremely difficult trick, especially for a young pig that's not even quite 1 year old. Because we're going to ask him to dribble around 3 different cones and then shoot a goal. And I hope we can get it on the first try. We're going to see. Okay, Mudslinger, are you prepared? Here we go. I want to see you weave in and out and put it in the goal. If you notice, he doesn't dribble with his hoof, he uses his snout. I hope he has a nose for the goal today. Shoot it.
Ah! You can do it!
Yeah! Oh, what a good boy you are! Thank you!
Do they? Oh yeah, I bet they do. I know it. Oh, this is just so cool. Girl. Yes. A little monster, right? Beautiful. Something else, huh?
Wouldn't you love to be this close to wild orcas?
Whoa! Holy shit, he's jumped! Whoa. Holy shit! Holy fuck! Oh my god! Oh fuck! What are they doing? Big one's over here. There we go. Oh my god, I just can't believe that's happening.
Monstrous 12, a meter anaconda captured in the Amazon swamp.
Este ruido lleva viviendo años en este morichazo. Y me ha contado con suerte de las personas que lo han visto, de los vaqueros que tienen un buen corazón y son buenos seres humanos. Y no han estado por matarlo. Mi amigo lo viendo, pues es que lo vio. Me llamó. Él le ha hecho seguimiento hace muchísimo tiempo. Para todos que podemos convivir con estos animales, este es el sitio de caza natural. El sitio de caza natural es que ella come, acá en este abrevadero, come lapas, venado, saínos, come todos lo que son animales silvestres. O sea, nosotros somos los que le medimos y tenemos a estos animales. Nosotros no los molestamos.
Somehow an otter ends up in a man's kayak.
So what's it feel like to have an otter between your legs? A sea otter. Hey little guy. Psst, psst. What you doing? You cleaning? Yeah, you cleaning?
Oh my goodness. Hey, that's my toe. Don't eat that. Oh, wait, no. Let's not eat that, okay? Thank you.
How in the world does a buffalo end up in someone's house? This pet bison is huge.
Don't get back here. Thank you. Thank you. Hello, baby boy.
An adorable Rottweiler plays with a baby. A macaw pops bubbles. How adorable.
In front of her face. There we go. Wow.
Who likes his bird bath? Oh yeah, he needed a bath. He was dirty.
Look at this video of a duck and a cat having some playtime.
He just roll off the steps.
Is your skin crawling yet? A bear with a tapeworm problem.
Look, Maxie, it's a sponge. It's a sponge.
This man having quite the time with a reticulated python.
Oh, that mouth. Dear me. Gotta be fast here. Oh, ah! There we are. Yep, behind the head. You can see inside the mouth. Look at this, right around my leg. They are so powerful. The tails around my neck. As a rule of thumb, you should have one handler for every metre of snake. This one, this one is about, oh, if anything goes wrong. Now, I've got to solve this python puzzle. First off,